Now in Azure messaging, there are two messaging that are available. One is an Azure Storage Queue and the second one is Azure Service Bus. Azure Storage Queue is a service for storing large number of messages that can be accessed from anywhere in the world via authenticated HTTP or HTTPS calls. On the other hand, we have Service Bus, which is a fully managed enterprise message broker with message queues and publish subscribe topic. So here you can see inside Azure Service Bus, we will have the message queues, but on top of that, we will also get publish subscriber topic. So Azure Service Bus is an add-on on top of the Azure Storage Queues. Azure Service Bus is a managing service on the cloud used to connect any application, devices, and services running in the cloud to any other applications or services. Now, as we have seen before that Azure Service Bus can have queues or topics and subscribers. Let me give you a brief overview on both of those. First, we will take a look at the queues. In queues, the messages are sent to and received from queues. Queues store messages until the receiving application is able to receive and process those messages. Messages in a queue are ordered and time-stamped on arrival. So what will happen is you will have a sender that will send a message and it will be stored inside the message queue. Once a receiver is ready, they will extract that message from the queue and then the message will be removed from the message queue. One limitation here is there will only be one receiver for a given sender when you implement queues. Let's take a brief overview at the next one, which is topic and subscribers. Just like queues, you can also use topics to send and receive messages. While a queue is often used for point-to-point communications, topics are useful in a publish-subscribe scenarios. What do I mean by that? It basically means that if I publish a message, there can be more than one subscribers. In queue, there will only be one receiver. Topics can have multiple independent subscriptions which attach to the topic and otherwise work exactly like queues from the receiver side. A subscriber to a topic can receive a copy of each message sent to that topic. So in the image here, you can see that for one topic, there are 3 subscribers. What will happen is when a message is sent to that topic, all the 3 subscribers or receivers will receive that message. So with that, you understand the basic terms in a topic subscriber. Topic basically means where the message should be sent, and then receivers will subscribe to that topic. So receivers are more like subscribers. These are basic terminology with the Azure Service Bus. But once we start to implement this, everything will make much more sense.